Hello everybody! Today we're going to unbox and take a close-up look at the Nike SB Chron 2. So let's first take a look around the outside of the box. So in this box is a pair of Nike SB Chron 2 skateboarding shoes, and this pair is in a men's UK size 9, US size 10, EU size 44, and it's in women's US size 11.5. And this pair is in the black, gum light brown, white colorway. And now let's go ahead and open up the box by flipping up the box lid to reveal the contents inside. And let's peel back the wrapping paper to reveal the Nike SB Chron 2. And lifting out the left shoe and focusing on it first. And of course giving you a 360 rotation. So you have a full and clear view of this Nike SB Chron 2 skateboarding shoe. And just setting the box to the side. So we have a full and clear look at this Nike SB Chron 2. And just stuffing the paper stuffing in just to give the shoe a more natural and fuller look right there. And of course taking some close-up looks at its overall design with the black gum light brown white colorway. So we can see at the front it does have a very fine nap suede toe box or front panel for its upper cover, and moving right along we can see the white Nike swoosh stitched on a canvas midfoot panel. And of course towards the rear, once again we see that very fine nap suede around the heel for its heel counter, and of course a mixture of the canvas and suede panels, and of course giving you a look from the back to give you some idea of the silhouette and shape of this Nike SB Chron 2. Of course on the inner side, once again we see the suede continuing for the heel counter, and of course the canvas midfoot panel, and that white Nike swoosh once again. And of course, that very fine nap suede front of the shoe. And of course, we can see that for the foxing tape with that gum light brown colorway, and of course the extended bumper for durability around the front of the shoe. And now taking a look from the front to the back. So there you can see the very fine nubs for grip around the front bumper. And as we move right along from the toe area with its suede panel, and moving right up with the traditional lacing, and of course the Nike SB Chron 2 branding and label patch on the tongue, and taking a look around the heel and ankle collar of the shoe. And we can see that it does have that Solarsoft insole or sock liner for cushioning with its sky blue Solarsoft border right around the insole. And of course taking a look inside, just going to remove the stuffing so we have a clearer look in the Nike SB Chron 2. So right there is the back of the tongue. So it does have some light to medium level of padding. They're giving you those close-up details. And of course the inner shoe labels. And once again we see that Solarsoft insert or sock liner with its blue edges. And that very pronounced cup design as well. And of course with the padding around the ankle and heel collar having some light to medium level of padding. It's right there as I pinch and squeeze around the collar. And taking a look in closer detail so you can see those textural differences between the canvas midfoot panels and the overlaying suede panel. And now taking a look at the sole or bottom of the shoe. So right there we can see it does have a very dark brown bottom with a radial herringbone starburst type tread pattern or traction pattern, and that round or circle at the ball of the foot area. And as we move towards the back we can see there is a Nike swoosh towards the heel area. So giving you a look right there at the tread or traction pattern of the Nike SB Chron 2. And taking some closer up looks right there. And of course to give you some idea of the texture and grippiness of the sole. And of course the kind of flexibility and feel or response as I press down with my finger right there, giving you a look. And just dragging my finger along. So it does have that rubber soft feel with some firmness to it. And now let's do a flex and bend test with my hands to give you some idea of the response, softness or firmness of this Nike SB Chron 2. Right there you can see it is very responsive and soft with plenty of flexibility. It does have a very lightweight feel to it as well. And now let's take a look at the right shoe. So setting the left shoe down and bringing the shoebox back in frame. Let's pop out the right shoe of the Nike SB Chron 2. And this time around taking a look at the right shoe. And once again doing a 360 rotation. So you have a full and clear view of this side of the Nike SB Chron 2. In the black, gum light brown, white colorway. So taking a look once again You can see around the front toe area with its big suede panel, and of course the canvas midfoot area, and back to the heel once again. And of course the outer side of the right shoe. And those close-up details of the overall texture and the combination of canvas and suede panels of the shoe. And of course the sole of the shoe as well. And now let's take a look at the pair together. And of course, from the front to the back, side by side. So you can see that perfect symmetry of this pair of Nike SB Chron 2. And the bottoms of the shoe as well. So that's the Nike SB Chron 2. Thanks for watching and happy skateboarding!